A PDF watermark can distract you in many ways. So the best solution is to remove the watermark. But you don't know how. So this video is for you all. First, using Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word and click Open. Select the PDF document you want to edit. Click OK to convert the PDF into a Word document. To remove the watermark, either delete it letter by clicking on each letter and pressing delete, or select the entire page by clicking outside the watermark and press delete. Save your watermark-free document by pressing Ctrl+S, and here's your document without the watermark. Second option, using Google Docs. Sign it to your Google Drive account and click on the plus new button. Select File Upload and choose the watermarked PDF file. Once uploaded, click on the file name in the notification that appears. A preview will be generated. Click on the Open With drop-down at the top of the page. Choose Google Docs from the option. If the watermark isn't automatically removed, click on it, select it, and then press Delete on your keyboard. Remember, if your PDF document is encrypted, you have to unlock it first, then only you can remove the watermark from the PDF. If you like the channel, just subscribe the channel and I'll meet you in the next video.